So hello guys, I find this a very really good indicator which tell me about the trades and it's a very profitable trades it's give me. As you can see that the winning rate is 74 and losing rate is 20. So it's a very good indicator setup which I was taking trades and I'm in a very good profit right now. Let me show that how it's working on BTC on 3 minutes. Winning trades 71, losing trades 28. So this one is also very good. And look at this Nifty 50. Winning trades are 66 and losing trades are 20. So it's a very good indicator. Look at this on Solana. 72 winning trades, losing trade 29. So mostly I trade on XRP, which is very good and very less, losing trades. So if you want to earn profit, so you may copy my trade on BingX and earn good profits. So as you can see that right now I taken trade at here and I booked a profit right now, which is very good. So if you want to copy my trades, you can copy my trade on BingX, search the name of CryptoChill, and you will find me at there. And as you can see that the price is going down, and I already know that the price will go down because of another indicators. So if you want to copy my trades, don't forget to copy my trades on BingX on name with CryptoChill. So bye bye guys.